everyone, we're going to find the radius of convergence of the given power series. We're going to use the ratio test given here, and we're going to check for when our limit is less than 1, it's convergent, greater than 1, it's divergent. I know you can't see this very well. This is on my Facebook page. If you ever want to there's a bunch of stuff there if you ever want to save a photo. So we have the limit, I'm going to write it out so you can see it. The limit as n approaches infinity of absolute value of a sub n plus 1 divided by a sub n. So this is your a sub n right here. So writing this out, we're going to get the limit as n approaches infinity of absolute value of x minus square root of 2, and then for this piece here, that's going to be 2n plus 3 divided by 2 to the power of n plus 1. Now for a sub n, we're just going to multiply it by the reciprocal. So this is going to be times 2 to the power of n divided by x minus square root of 2 to the power of 2n plus 1. All right. Now let's pull out our, we have the n here. So looking at this, if I pull out this x here and divide this, this is going to be x minus square root of 2 to the power of 2n plus 3 minus, using your properties of exponents, minus 2n plus 1. So that's just going to give you absolute value of x minus square root of 2 to the squared. And since it's squared, you just need it in parentheses. So it's really just going to be x minus square root of 2 squared, because we can forgive the absolute value. Now the same thing's going to happen with this one. This is just going to be equal to 2, because you're going to have 2 to the power of n divided by 2 times 2 to the power of n. That cancels out. So basically, if you multiply this by the limit as n approaches infinity, you'd have 1/2. Well, that just equals 1/2. So basically, we get 1/2 times absolute value of x minus square root of 2 squared. For it to be convergent, it has to be less than 1. Now let's multiply both sides by 2. We get x minus square root of 2 squared is less than 2. We have a square root here, or a square here. So you square root both sides. Now we're going to have to go ahead and put the absolute value here. X minus square root of 2 is less than square root of 2. That would be convergent. Now for condition 2 here, has to be greater than 1. So you basically would get absolute value of x minus square root of 2 is greater than square root of 2. That would be divergence, or diverges. Therefore, your radius of convergence is square root of 2. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.